Hello! So, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for Taurus. Take only what resonates, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, subscribe lang kayo sa ating channel. Hit the notification bell and please do comment down below. Like the video. Yan, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng comment ninyo. Simulan na natin. This is for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Taurus. Main energy. You do have here the Empress, okay. So, nakikita natin kung paano mamahalin ngayon ang sarili mo with the Chariot, tuloy-tuloy yan, ano. And, maganda yan. And, iba sa inyo, pwede may mga, kumbaga kung may pagkakagastusan ka, pwedeng may kinalaman dito sa sarili mo with the Chariot, or even pagta-travel, or you are preparing yourself, inaayos mo yung sarili mo, may pagpapaganda because of a particular travel or place na pupuntahan mo, and maybe you are preparing yourself dito sa bagay nito, which is with the Six of Cups, and it has something to do with the past or maybe a place wherein may kinalaman sa past. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede may mga ginagawa kang mga bago or sorry no yung iba sa inyo could be bago, yung iba dati mo nang ginagawa na parang ibinabalik mo kasi ito yung mas makakapagpa-better sa'yo. Na maybe yung iba sa inyo diets or food. First na nakakonect mo, sino to? You do have the Six of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. The bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Well, the person na to, ang dami nyo pagkakapareho and at the same time, parang nagmamatch kayo pareho eh. Nandito yung Empress tapos Emperor energy. And also the Justice card at the bottom of the deck. I feel like, pwedeng balance lang lalo na with the Six of Pentacles and Six of Wands. A lot of people is pwedeng marami kayong improvement na nangyayari dito sa person na to. And nagtataka din siya kasi nagtataka yung maraming tao sa paligid niya kasi maraming improvements ang nangyayari dito sa person na to. With the Six of Pentacles, I feel like unti-unting nagkakaroon ng pagpansin yung ibang tao mula dito sa person na to, or unti-unti siya napapansin maybe because through the help of you. Yan. Pwede sa tulong mo, napapansin siya ng iba. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Okay, emotion ninyo, you do over the Ten of Wands and the Nine of Swords. What? You do over the Two of Swords. The Knight of Swords and you do over the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. Marami talaga pagkakapareho sa inyo ng person na to, no? You could be dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame. The Ten of Wands, meron kang mga bagay na inaayos ngayon, maybe regarding sa problema mo with the Nine of Swords. So, kung naman yung nagpapa-stress sa'yo, mga problema mo, might be ito yung pa yung challenge mo ngayon or inaayos mo sa buhay mo. And the Two of Swords is here. So, itong person na to, nakakatuwa siya kasi nakakatulong siya sa'yo para magawa mo yung mga desisyon na kailangan or dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo. Knight of Swords is here. So, I feel like there's a lot of attraction, pagkagusto, or pagmamahal dito sa person na to. And pareho naman kayo with the Queen of Cups. Mas better yung yung connection na to pag may pagsasama or pagtutulungan. Kasi parang mas napapasarap or napapagaan ang buhay. And with the Ten of Wands, I feel like tinatry mong obligahin or tinatry mong gawin lahat all at the same time. With the Nine of Swords, I feel like may mga tao kang like part of you is that kahit problema nila, ikaw yung nagsusolusyon dun sa mga problema nila. And although malaki yung tulong mo sa kanila, the problem is that ikaw yung napapagod, ikaw yung nai-stress. The Two of Wands and the Three of Swords. Hindi lahat to pero maybe there's a plan. There's a person who is parang may plano. And this could be a person, a third person, third connection, or another person na kakonect mo. Pwedeng may plano siya sa'yo. Pwede sa ngayon, hindi pa niya sinasabi, or pwedeng nasabi niya na doon sa iba. Pero ang gusto niyang mangyari is magkaroon ng ending sa part mo, sa side mo. Kasi with the strength, but yung iba sa inyo, hindi nangyayari or hindi na isa sa katuparan yung ending kasi mas lalong tumitibay. If you are in a relationship, pwedeng a past person wants to mabago or maayos itong connection or relationship ninyo, and pwedeng hindi siya nagiging totally honest pa sa'yo sa kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari sa connection ninyo. So, in the near future for you, there's this Two of Pentacles and the World. This is completion. Actually, maganda to. With the Six of Swords. Tapos meron pa tayo ditong the High Priestess and the Lovers. This is a soulmate and twin flame connection. Nakakita tayo dito ng may mga bagay or tao ka tatanggalin sa buhay mo with the World. And soon, malapit ka na magkaroon ng completion with regards dito sa person to. Six of Swords, you have already moved on pagdating sa past. So, kahit hindi siya mag-open or magsabi sa'yo, parang alam mo na agad ang sagot mo. And pwedeng nararamdaman mo na ito yung gusto niya mangyari. Pero, you're no longer interested with the Ten of Pentacles kasi you're already done. Mas matibay at mas malakas ka na ngayon at pinoprotektahan mo na ang sarili mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.